Let's talk about something that's absolutely critical in manufacturing. You've got this incredible, complex dance of machinery on the production line, right? Every single part has to do its job perfectly. But what happens when the music stops?
Yeah, that's the question, isn't it? It's the nightmare scenario for any plant manager. One second, everything is running like clockwork, and the next, there's just silence. The whole operation just grinds to a halt. And you know what's wild? So often it all comes down to one single tiny component failing. It could be anything, a sensor, a valve, you name it. But when that one little piece gives out in a machine that costs millions, the whole system is dead in the water. And that silence, oh, that is the most expensive sound in the world. Every single minute that line isn't moving, you're just burning through money. Deadlines get missed, costs go through the roof. Downtime isn't just a hassle, it's a full-blown emergency. So what happens next? The mad scramble. You've got to find that exact replacement part, and you need it yesterday. You're digging through catalogs, you're on the phone, just hoping, praying someone has what you need before the losses get completely out of hand.
But what if you didn't have to scramble? What if you had a partner that was literally built for this exact moment of crisis? Well, that's where ICDC Spare Parts comes into the picture. Think of them less as a supplier and more as your first responders.
Everything they do is built on three really simple but powerful ideas. First, accountability. They stand behind every part they sell. Second, speed, because they know every second counts. And third, reliability, so you know you can count on them when things go wrong.
Okay, so how do they pull this off? Well, it all starts with the one thing that matters most when you need a part, actually having it in stock. And that brings us to their absolutely massive component availability.
I mean, look at this. We're talking about the whole shebang. Pneumatics, electronics, hydraulics, mechanics, you name it, they've probably got it. They've built this massive inventory to cover pretty much any problem you could run into on the factory floor. And this just shows you the incredible range we're talking about. On one hand, you've got a super complex electronic module. On the other, a simple but totally essential fuse. They've got both ends of the spectrum covered and everything in between. And it just keeps going. Whether you need a heavy-duty electric motor or a super precise pneumatic cylinder, the whole idea is the same. Have the exact part you need sitting in their warehouse, ready to ship out the door. From crucial mechanical parts like bearings to entire gear reducers, the variety is just staggering. And what that means for you is you can stop the frantic searching and get right to fixing the problem. Okay, so having the part is one thing, and it's a huge thing. But it's only half the battle, right? You still have to get it in your hands, fast. And that's where their service model really shines. They've made the whole process so simple. Step 1, you find the component you need on their site. Step 2, you place a secure order online. And Step 3, they get it out the door with express global delivery. It's a straight line from problem to solution. And when they say global, they really mean it. They're shipping to 54 countries. This isn't just some local shop. We're talking about a logistics powerhouse that's set up to help industries all over the world. Now, this quote is so important. ICDC makes a key promise. All parts are available in our stock, originals and brand new. Think about it. That answers the three biggest questions you have in a panic. Is it in stock? Yes. Is it an original part? Yes. Is it brand new? Yes. That's what they mean by accountability. And you know the quality is there because of the company they keep. We're not talking about just any parts. We're talking about access to more than 250 of the biggest and best brands in the business. You're going to find the names you already know and trust, like the industry giant ABB. When you're in a high-pressure situation, seeing a reliable brand name in stock just gives you that instant peace of mind. It's the same thing with a name like Bosch Rexroth. These aren't some third-party knockoffs. This is the real deal, the original quality your machines were built with, and it's ready to ship right now. Or how about leaders in sensor tech like SICK? Having this kind of direct access to top-tier components without having to wait for those crazy long manufacturing lead times, well, that's an absolute game changer when your production is at a standstill. So, when you put it all together, you've got the massive inventory on one side and the super fast, reliable service on the other. And it all leads to one single, incredibly important benefit for you. At the end of the day, this is what it's all about. It's about minimizing that painful, expensive downtime so you can get back to maximizing your productivity.
It's about turning what could be a disaster that lasts for days into a problem you can solve in a matter of hours.
So the next time you hear that dreaded silence on the factory floor, you know exactly what to do. You can skip the frantic search and get the part you need to get things moving again. Just go find it now at icdspares.com.